Finally, example 4 on page 184. Hopefully you read the bottom of page 183, the slope formula. The slope m of a line passing through points x1, y1, and x2, y2 is the ratio of the difference in the y-coordinates to the corresponding difference in the x-coordinate. So slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, where x2 and x1 cannot be the same. So example 4 says find the slope of the line that passes through r is 1, 2, and s is negative 4, 3. The r and the s are only there to distinguish or to give them a location. They don't mean anything when you're actually doing the problem. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through and we are going to label these x1, y1, and x2, y2. And if you look down here at the bottom, I have rewritten this. x1, y1, and x2, y2. We are going to take y2 minus y1. My y2 value is 3. I'm going to subtract my y1 value, which is 2. My x2 value is negative 4. I'm going to subtract my x1 value, which is a positive 1. So I'm going to have 3 minus 2 and negative 4 minus 1. Remember, same signs add and keep, different signs subtract. So 3 and negative 2 are different signs, which means I'm going to subtract them. 3 minus 2 is 1. Negative 4 and negative 1 are the same signs, so I'm going to add them. 4 plus 1 is 5, and I'm going to keep it a negative. That negative is then going to shoot out to the side to make it negative 1 over 5. Pause the video and work on D and E. Letter D says 2, 2, and 5, 3. Again, I'm going to label these as x1, y1, and x2, y2. My formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. My second y value is 3 minus my first y value, which is 2. My second x value, which is 5, minus my first x value, which is 2. 3 minus 2, again, 3 and negative 2, they are different signs, so I'm going to subtract. 3 minus 2 is 1. 5 and negative 2, again, are different signs, so I'm going to subtract. 5 minus 2 is 3. So my slope is 1 over 3. If you haven't yet, pause the video and do letter E. Letter E says negative 7, negative 4, and negative 3, negative 2. Again, I'm going to label them x1, y1, and x2, y2. I'm going to start with y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. My second y is negative 2. Subtract my first y, which is negative 4. My second x is negative 3. Subtract my first x, which is negative 7. Remember we talked a while ago about adding the opposite. Remember negative 2 minus negative 4 is the same thing as negative 2 plus 4. Negative 3 minus negative 7 is the same thing as negative 3 plus positive 7. Remember we add the opposite, or two negatives make a positive. Negative 2 plus 4 are different signs. Different signs means I'm going to subtract. 4 minus 2 is 2, and I have more positives than negatives. Negative 3 plus 7, again, are different signs, so I'm going to subtract. 7 minus 3 is 4. Again, I have more positives than negatives. And 2 over 4 is the same as 1 over 2.